To export contacts on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open the Contacts app on our device. Next step is to click on Organize, and after that we can move down until we locate the Export and Import. Now you can click on Export to a file, and you can choose accounts to export, which means which contacts will be exported, since you're storing contacts on each and every one of those options. So I have two options right here, and I want to export everything. So we select the options and then we export. Now it will create a file called contacts.vcf. You can rename it, I guess, but I wouldn't recommend that. Then we can save that file, and now all of the contacts that will be stored on that file, you can move this file to other device and then select the import from file, and that way click on more options, and then you'll be able to import them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.